Good morning, nuts lovers. Today we will do not the peanuts, cashew nut butter. So basically, first of all, we will put it for one night, but not keep it longer, otherwise it might get rotten. So we'll put in our cashew nuts in a water. So basically, it's a little bit of these toxins will be released. So yeah, try to buy like a whole cashew. It's much better than broken one. And then it's already finished version. So after, let's say, 24 hours, it absorbs some water, and we will little bit fry it for make it taste better. You can make it raw, it tastes nice, but a little bit different. And then we will put it in a blender. That's it, really simple. Also, you can add some coconut oil or butter or chocolate, whatever, for make taste more interesting. That's it, it's super simple. So it's a little bit dry, so you can add a little bit of oil, or you can even add a little bit of milk, a little bit of water, for make it look like paste. But if you add the milk, you need to eat it straight away. Also, you can add a little bit of butter, if you want to. So basically for mix it, always mix a little bit. It's not that creamy, but it's okay actually. So you can easily put it on your bread or vegetables, whatever. And that's just amazing.